Hi guys, Jack here with you from Apex Detail Studio. So today I just wanted to run you through what we've done on this Mercedes SL. It's had our full XPEL paint protection film gloss package. That includes the PPF on the exterior, ceramic protection on the rims, as well as full ceramic protection on the interior. In terms of the process, as soon as the car comes to us, we do a full decontamination wash to make sure there's no dirt or debris. We then do a multi-stage polish to remove any swirl marks or micro scratches. Once that's done and the car is back to factory condition, we then cut the PPF on our plotting machine. We use no blades whatsoever near the vehicle. So as far as the interior goes, we do full ceramic protection in here as well. That includes the seats, the carpets, and the floors. Everything's protected so you don't have any stains, or if you do spill any liquids, it doesn't seep into the material, it just sits on top. So it's super easy to keep the inside of your car nice and clean. So of course, as it's XPEL, it comes with a 10-year warranty. All the XPEL films that we use are self-healing, of course, all pre-cut. The edges are extended, and you have that edge sealant technology as well to leave a long-lasting protection on your vehicle.